We are trying to find the sign of a quadratic that has a negative leading coefficient. Given the quadratic negative 3x squared plus 3x plus 18, to find its sign we are going to factor it. Greatest common factor is negative 3 and x squared minus x minus 6 factors to negative 3 x minus 3, x plus 2. The factors of the quadratic are negative 3, x minus 3, and x plus 2. The zeros of this quadratic are x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 2. So I'm going to put them on the number line. And these zeros are now splitting the real number line into three intervals. Interval negative infinity to negative 2, negative 2 to 3, and interval 3 to infinity. The leading term is negative 3. That makes it negative in every interval on the number line. Factor x minus 3 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 3. It is positive to the right in the interval 3 to infinity that contains numbers greater than 3, and it is negative to the left in the two intervals negative infinity to negative 2 and negative 2 to 3 that contain numbers less than 3. Factor x plus 2 is 0 when x is equal to negative 2. It is positive to the right of negative 2 in intervals negative 2 to 3 and 3 to infinity when x is greater than negative 2. And it is negative to the left of negative 2 in the interval negative infinity to negative 2. The quadratic in the interval negative infinity to negative 2 is negative times a negative times a negative, that makes it a negative. In the interval negative 2 to 3, it is negative times a negative times a positive, that makes it a positive. And in the interval from 3 to infinity, it is negative times positive times positive, and that makes it a negative. Overall, the quadratic is equal to 0 for x equal to negative 2 and x equal to 3. It is positive in the interval negative 2, 3, and it is negative in the interval from negative infinity to negative 2, union 3 to infinity.